For the skincare process, toner for hydration, serum, and then going in with the tinted sunscreen to really even out her skin tone aside from the protection from the sun. This would help with the base products I'm going to put afterwards. And then the important step for the base product is color correction.
Di ba ang eye bags, yung use niya is more sa cool tone, di ba? Kailangan mo dyan is something na warm tone. Kaya hence itong peach or kaya yellow pwede siya for eye bags para ma-cancel out niya yung mga purple tones. Yan.
I'm just going in with a brush to blend in the peach corrector.
Kung napansin mo, meron ka ditong mas marami yung yellow tones mo dito. So syempre warm, kailangan cool, opposite side of color wheel. So gagamitin mo is purple. Basta ganun siya, warm, cool, cool, warm. Kung meron kang gustong i-brighten, purple ang solution mo. Yung highest points ng cheeks mo, gusto mong i-brighten. Those are mga highlights. Konti-konti lang yung ilagay. Sa highest points ng cheeks. Then, bring together natin yung look later. Dito din, pwede mong lagyan ng purple. Sa part na to. Siya yellow tone. Pagka yellow siya, dito sa side na to mas reddish. At ito yung last one.
Ito eh. Hindi na siya
Ayan yung, ito yung solution dyan, yung kulay green. Opposite kasi nung red dun sa color wheel is green eh. Yan. I-ano mo lang siya, dab-dab mo lang na ganyan. Okay. Na makita mo yung difference later. Talagay ko per konti-konti lang yan. Ito yung concealer, yung mas malaki. Ito yung skin tint. Kaya may spatula para mas pantay yung mailagay sa face. So ganito siya ilagay. Parang i-ano mo lang siya, i-side mo ganyan. Para mas maliit.
For blending, I use sponge because I find it convenient and easier.
Okay siya? Bilisan mo yung blending kasi kapag liquid kailangan. Kapag nalagay mo blend agad. Concealer, kapag mayroon kang, wala namang pimple marks eh. So, doon lang sa, for brightness, eye bags. Konti lang din. Then mo lang ulit. Tapos tingin ka sa taas. Para lifted yung look. Pag ganito yung. Ang setting powder na to, mas matik yung coverage niya. Kung gusto mo ng mas natural yung look, manipis lang. So for me, I think okay na to para mas mukha siyang natural. Lagi mo siyang itatap na ganyan. Na-mattify niya, pero nandun pa rin yung pagka-dewiness. For warm. Oo. Ano siya, warm tone. Tapos kapag contour, yung mas gray siya, mas cool tone. Siya replicate yung natural shadows mo. Ito warm lang. Nasobrang ka ng puti ng lagay especially. Tsaka gusto mo ng konting dimension bronzer. Again, kailangan itap na. For Asian kasi mas bagay ka dito yung paglagay, pababa. Pwede mo itong gamitan as your contour. Sa nose. Draw a straight line. Parang ano lang naman is like the bottom line is for you to have that dimension space. You're bringing back the dimension after, like all the powder. Para hindi siya flat. Tapos skins. Para mas maganda yung later like when we put brows. The blush. Igaganon mo. Papabutin mo dito sa part na to. Like around this area. Parang triangle na ganyan. Triangle na ganyan. Ulit dito. Create ka lang ng konting highlights. Dito sa line mo dito. Yung parang V na ganyan. Yun yung i-emphasize mo pa ganito. Highlights. Dito sa tip ng nose. Para magmukhang parang sharp.
My inspo for this look is the thin brow strand, so I like to keep everything soft and natural.
Medyo lagyan natin ng arch kasi you mess up this part.
I start with the end of the brows because going in the front can look too harsh.
Parang nagdodrawing din hawak mo dapat.
Then I slowly build up the pigment, working my way forward using light thin strokes to mimic real brow hairs. Just follow your natural brow shape, enhance what you already have, and keep a light hand so it doesn't look overdone. Then I dispense a bit of concealer on the back of my hand, grab a brush and lightly tap it into the product so I get just the right amount on the brush. I use that to clean out the brows and define the shape without making it look too heavy.
So if you mess up, there's always a concealer to save your day. Isin lang yung mga parts na pwede magpas.
Just go in with the concealer until you achieve your desired look for your brows, cleaning up edges.
Clear mascara after dun sa brush mo sa back and forth.
For any brow mascara, whether it's clear or the ones with pigment, you should go back and forth to really coat the hair and it will give you the volume you want. If there are any sparse areas, just apply eyebrow pen. Next is the fixing spray for the makeup not to budge. For this look, I don't want to focus much on the lips, so I'm just going to apply a natural shade to her lips. I'm just blurring out the product and this is how it looks afterwards.